Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. If you are new, I'm Maggie, and welcome. And who are you? Who are you? This is Katie, Mommy's helper. Yeah. So today we're going to be making a Gołombki Bake. This is essentially like a Gołombki, except it's in a bake, so you don't have to individually wrap them. It's easy, it's delicious. I'm telling you, it mimics exactly the same taste as a Gołombki, except you don't have to spend the time making them individual. Yeah, so I hope you guys give it a try. Sorry about the shaking, but my little one keeps touching the tripod. So I hope you guys enjoy. As always, if you like the video, give us a big thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed, you need to do that right now. Bye-bye.